I'm going to make some bunting for Welsh Week. First, I found some pictures of leeks and daffodils on our computer. I picked these two, and I picked 2 flag shapes. Put everything together on screen, then printed it out. So now I'm going to cut up my bunting, and Mum showed me a quick and easy way to do this.
So if we fold it, and you've only got to cut along the one line, haven't you?
Yeah, like
Yeah.
And I've done these.
You've done those already, yeah? Gonna cut your daffodils? Nice and carefully. Nice and straight then. There you go, well done. Show me then all the, open it out. Yeah, cool, well done.
Aren't these flags really cute?
So what are you doing now then, love?
I'm working at my pattern, so ready for the ribbons tomorrow.
The ribbon's gonna come, and we're gonna string it together, yeah? So what pattern are you doing?
Leek. Daffodil leek. My ribbon has arrived today, so I've cut the perfect length. And I'm finding the middle.
What's the middle for?
My flag.
You're gonna put the first flag, yeah?
Yeah.
And what's the first flag gonna be, a daffodil or a leek?
A daffodil, because there's odd numbers of my daffodils, and there's even numbers of my leeks. I'm finished. I'm so pleased that I finished it. You like it, Mum?
I love it, I'm so proud, it's gorgeous. We should hang it up, shouldn't we?
Yeah. Celebrating Welsh Week with my bunting. Because life is for living, so live it.